Hello everyone, welcome to Suishyball, and today I will be making Kiiroitori for you. So I have a yellow Play-Doh ball, and to add the wings I'm going to take a little bit of yellow Play-Doh and just stick it on the side and on the other side as well. Okay, just like that. And now we're gonna make Kiiroitori's beak. So the top beak, I'm going to roll out a little ball. And put it on like that. And for the nose, I'm going to add two little dots of black Play-Doh. There's one, there's two. And then for the bottom beak, a little bit smaller piece of orange Play-Doh. Do an oval and the eyes. Then I'm going to add the hair. And the feet.